Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video, I am going to explain Globallogic started their hiring for freshers who are from BCA, BSc in IT and CS only for training software engineering role 0 to 1 year of experience. I am going to explain this company details fully, so watch the video till the end. Don't skip. You are going to spend for your career 1 to 3 minutes in our channel to get a good job in IT MNCs. The package will be 4 above. Everything I am going to explain now, so watch the video till the end. Subscribe to my channel and share to your friends as much you can. They are from Globallogic training software engineer, Nodia. Interview will be everything will be in online. Qualification BCA, BSc, IT, CS only. Streams are CS, IT. Year of passing 19 to 2022. Percentage CGPA 50 point they mentioned. With no active blockers, salary will be 4.26 LPA. Interview process hackathon, coding exam and tech round and managerial and HR. Skill set will be network frame, Java, MySQL, OOPS concept, apps and software domain role and aptitude learning, verbal. This all the skills they mentioned there. Key skill, if you have done any certification in C/OOPS, data structure, OOPS concept, algorithm, as per the net, it will be helpful for you to get a good package above 4.5 with a yearly hike in percentage will be 25 to 30. BCA in computer science and IT they mentioned there. This is all their company website from Globallogic all over India. After a few years you can change it to your native places, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, every place which you are looking for, Pune also. So apply as much quickly, share to your friends as much you can. If you have any doubt regarding this, you just comment me, I will clear your doubt. Share your friends and like my channel. So thanks for watching guys.